Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to um, prepare your assignment, do your assignment, and how to save it as a PDF file. So I'm using Microsoft Word Office to do this tutorial. And so if you open a new document, you can come here, click on new. It will take you to this page, and then you can now write your assignment. You can type your assignment here. Mine, I'll just paste random something that I just copied. Okay, assuming this is my assignment, and I'm going to save it as a Word document, a PDF document. I want to save it in PDF format. So assuming I've finished writing my assignment and I'm okay with it, so let's go ahead to save it. So for you to save it, you go to file. Here you see file, you go to save as, click on save as, and you ask where do you want to save it, either in the cloud, the PC, or at another place. Let me say PC. And then where should I save it? In my desktop, on my desktop. So now a menu is given to me to choose to type in my file name and also save as type. It is in this save as type that you have to choose the format you want to save the file as. So for the file name, I'll leave it at a study guide for distance learner, and then the save as type, you see this drop down arrow, you click it, you see other formats you can save your file as. But in the course of this tutorial, we're going to use PDF format, so I click PDF format and then I go ahead to save the work. So my document has been saved as a PDF format. So if you go to the desktop that I save it, as you see here, see it on my desktop, a study guide for blah blah blah, and you see it is in PDF form. So when you do this, when you get this, you can now share it to the platform that you are asked to submit the document. Additionally, if you want to save it as a Word document, it's the same process. So you go back to file, go down to save as, and then choose anywhere you want to save it as. Then here you say save as type. So already it's in Word document, but if you want to change it, just like I said, you can change it to PDF. But this particular one, now to save it as a Word document, you select Word document and then you save. So automatically this title bar have changed from document 1 to a study guide for the distance learner. That is the name for this file as a Word document, and also we see as a PDF file which we have saved. So thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.